Here's a few hidden gems in Portland, Oregon. Teriyakis 2. I had the house special succulent beef over rice. Salad 3. Tender and juicy pot stickers. 2. Melt in your mouth shrimp tempura. And 1 egg roll. It was so delicious. Make sure to visit Teriyakis 2. Next up, La Provenza is my favorite breakfast and brunch spot with decor straight from Paris. I had the peach spritz and the salmon benedict with dill hollandaise sauce. The food is top tier and they're especially known for their cakes and pastries. Never leave without trying their famous croissant and raspberry jam. Get a little taste of India at Swagat Indian Cuisine. I ordered the chicken thali. It was served with rice, chicken makhani, tandoori chicken, salad, tempura fried onion, mango custard, dan curry, sambar, and garlic naan bread. I also had this mango smoothie. Try them today, you won't be disappointed. Portland is known for its food truck parks. This is Foodlandia. I had a chicken shawarma. It was very long, so I cut it in half and had the second half the next day. This shawarma is made with well-seasoned chicken, pickle, tzatziki, lettuce, and a special hot sauce. Here's another bigger food truck park.
Sun comes up on a Portland day. Coffee in my hand, I'm on my way. Mount Hood watches from the sky, so blue. Every corner's got something new. Cook it, taste it, let's explore.